And the U.S. Supreme Court upheld a federal law meant to protect domestic violence victims today by restricting abusers from having guns. Washington correspondent Maddie Beertemple has reaction to the decision.
Writing for the majority, Chief Justice John Roberts said those with domestic violence restraining orders can be barred from having a gun.
This ruling is a huge relief for women and children in this country.
Emma Brown with the gun violence prevention group Giffords says if justices had overturned the law, it could have been catastrophic for survivors of domestic violence.
The fact that we are litigating and talking about whether or not people with domestic violence restraining orders should have firearm access is ridiculous.
The decision reverses a lower court ruling that said a Texas man who hit and threatened to shoot his girlfriend could have a gun. Syracuse law professor Lauren Golden didn't expect the court to rule in his favor.
He was purportedly seen dragging his then girlfriend out of the car by her hair.
In his opinion, Justice Roberts wrote, quote, "Since the founding, our nation's firearm laws have included provisions preventing individuals who threaten physical harm to others from misusing firearms."
I think this is the right decision.
Georgetown Law Dean William Traynor said justices based their opinion on a broad view of history at the time of the founding.
And so you don't look at, were there bans on guns for people who committed domestic violence? You look at it, were there bans on guns for people who are dangerous?
Traynor says the court's lone dissenter, Justice Clarence Thomas, took a narrower view of history.
They don't all take the same approach to what the original understanding was.
That was Maddie Beertemple reporting. This isn't the only Second Amendment case that the court decided this term. Last week, if you'll remember, the court overturned a federal ban on bump stocks. Additionally, we're still waiting on several big rulings in the coming weeks, including one dealing with former President Trump's claims of presidential immunity surrounding January 6th and a case dealing with emergency abortions in states that ban abortions.